Hi team, so we're going to talk about micronutrients. We talked about the macronutrients a lot, our carbohydrates, protein and fat. That's where we get our energy from. But we've not yet talked about their little brother, but equally as powerful, the micronutrients. These are the vitamins and the minerals that we need. So we've got the fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, K and E. These are really associated with great eye health, brain health, cell metabolism. There's also some DNA functions involved there. And our best sources are through animal sources. So low-fat dairy products. I'm saying low-fat rather than full-fat because the full fat's just got additional calories that we don't need, and it's got a bit more of the saturated fats, which, if you remember, are not quite as healthy for us as our mono and polyunsaturated fats, and we get sufficient vitamins from them. We can get these vitamins too, especially from our leafy greens and our really green vegetables, but the body doesn't metabolise them quite as efficiently and quite as well as our animal sources. So if you're a vegetarian, do not despair. You are, as long as you're having plenty of vegetables each lunch, each dinner, across the week. You will get a sufficient quantity of these vitamins, but if you can include some dairy into your diet, eggs are a fantastic option. You'll definitely be getting enough of these vitamins. Then we've got the water soluble, and as their name suggests, they are absorbed in the body through water. We get these through our citrus fruits, through vegetables, and we don't retain these in the body. So the fat-soluble vitamins, we can store a certain quantity of them, whereas the water-soluble, they're in, they're out, we use them, we need to keep a really constant, steady supply. Another reason why every lunch, every dinner, and breakfast, we should be getting some vegetables and some fruit on our plates. The really simple idea with the Honest Nutrition Programme with regards to vitamins and minerals is just colour. That's the simplest way to think of things. When you are constructing your lunch and your dinner, and I'm focusing on those because we don't naturally tend to want lots of vegetables for breakfast, definitely throw some blueberries into your porridge. Berries are just an amazing nutrient dense option. They are very rich in colour, and it's those berry reds and purples. That's a great indication that they are very, very rich in antioxidants. These are cancer-fighting chemicals in the body, very naturally occurring, and they're great for anti-aging too. Now, lunch and dinner, when you're having your salads, when you're building your steamed vegetables or roasted vegetables around your protein source, opt for as many colour options as you can. If you can, say, go for 3 different colours for each meal, you're going to be assuring yourself that you're getting a really wide range of vitamins and minerals. In very simple terms, the different colour of fruit and veg is an indication of a different mix of vitamins and minerals within that carrot, aubergine, whatever it may be. So eating the rainbow, that's all it takes to make sure you get a really nice diverse range of vitamins and minerals. We do not want to be worrying, thinking, am I getting enough chromium? Am I getting enough selenium? Life is way too short and we don't need to make it that complicated. The B vitamins are really, really important to us, and these, again, we're eating a plethora of fruit and veg, we're going to be getting them. But it's the B vitamins in particular which metabolise our energy. So it's all well and good having some complex whole grains, some wonderful whole grain basmati rice, having a great protein source like quinoa or lentils or a beautiful piece of chicken breast. But if you are not getting your B vitamins in with that meal, you are not helping your body to pull the energy from that broken down carbohydrate, that broken down protein and that broken down fat in our digestive tract. That's why it's so important to make sure your plate is loaded with colourful veggies. Now, in our water, in the body, in our cells, we've got electrolytes. Now, these include potassium, magnesium, calcium, chloride. These guys regulate the water balance in our body. So making sure we're getting enough fruit and veg. Citrus fruits are great for this. Bananas, leafy greens. There's a small quantity of these minerals across the range of fruit and veg, so you don't need to be too worried about heading for I've got to have kale every single day. Diversity and mix, it keeps the palate exciting, it keeps the plate interesting, and it means you're getting a regular and diverse selection of those vitamins and minerals. With a good electrolyte balance in the body, you are going to perform really well in Jeanette's training videos, and you're going to help your body to regulate how much water it's holding. So you're not going to store too much water and get that horrible bloated sluggish feeling and be carrying unwanted extra pounds, but you're going to help your body to control its hormone balance and just naturally do what it wants to do without chemicals or without loads of added sugar. So I don't want to make vitamins and minerals too complicated. I just want, really, from this video, us to appreciate their importance, and that when you're thinking about your honest principles and you're thinking about planning your meals, you've got it nailed when it comes to your carbs, proteins and fats. You've been doing that for quite a few weeks now. We don't get it right in every meal, but if we're asking that question, we're well on the way to getting it right 80 to 90% of the time. That's consistency. Just now, make sure you're questioning yourself, am I going to be getting my vitamins and minerals too? Because that's going to get the best results from those clean macronutrients. Enjoy your food, enjoy this journey, keep up the great work, and make sure you check in with the forum. And we love to hear how you're experiencing this journey. You're putting up some great and really inspiring posts. When you're having a wonderful day, someone else is having a tough day. That's life. So sharing your positive experiences, it's not just great for me and Jeanette in a really sort of selfish way, but it's really, really beneficial to each other. Have a great week, and we will catch up very, very soon. Take care of yourself.